Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I know today's look is not all that exciting, but I have to go take my ID picture today and I decided to wear a little bit of makeup to make me just look put together. The first time I went to take my ID picture, I didn't know you were allowed to wear makeup, and I had this terrible spot that I thought was going to be immortalized, and today, luckily, I get to do something about that because I'm just wearing some natural makeup that makes me look put together but doesn't look dramatic or change my features. So if you want to know how you can do your makeup if you have to take an important picture like a passport or an ID picture, please keep watching. I already applied my primer so that it can sit for a bit, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this LA Girl liquid foundation in the color Porcelain, and I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend it out. I'm going to be using this concealer from LA Girl, and I'm just going to apply a bit underneath my eyes and then use my beauty blender to blend it out in a triangle shape. I'm picking up my Ben Nye powder and I'm just going to use it to set my under eyes. Make sure there aren't any creases before you apply the powder, otherwise you're going to set the crease and then there's no way you're going to get rid of it. I did it the other day and there was this thick line of concealer that just didn't want to go away because I didn't think to blend out the creases before I applied the powder. So don't set your under eye wrinkles, make sure to blend them out first. The same applies for your eyelid. Make sure there aren't any creases before going over it with a powder. I like doing this because then I have a smooth base to start with when I'm doing my eyeshadow, and then it just blends that much quicker. For my eyeshadow, I want to keep it really simple, so I'm going to take my fluffy brush first and I'm going to pick up this color and I'm going to use it as a transition shade. I'm looking down into my mirror and then blending the color into my crease. That way I know I'm getting it in the right area. I'm picking up the same color on my softer, finer brush and I'm going to use it to run the color on the outer half of my lower lash line. For on my eyelid, I'm going to be using the same brush and I'm going to be picking up this pale toned brown and I'm just going to brush it on my eyelid. For mascara, I'm using this one by Catrice called Lashes to Kill, and I'm just going to put it on the ends of my lashes to make them stand out a little more. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso, and I'm just going to fill them in a little bit to give them back some definition. For lips, I'm just going to use this nude lip liner and I'm going to both line and fill in my lips with it. For some highlights, I'm going to mix the first and second shade from my LA Girl Ultra palette and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes to just open them up, a little bit underneath my brow and on my cupid's bow. For blush, I'm going to mix the red toned one and the purple toned one from my Beauty Treats palette, and I'm just going to work it onto my cheeks. Next, I'm just going to lightly bronze up my face, and then I'm going to set everything with the setting spray. I'm just applying some bronzer to my chest to make it match my face and my neck, because I'm really pale on my chest and nowhere else. So this is just going to make sure everything blends and look natural. And this is the final result. I'm wearing a high ponytail so that my hair is out of my face, and a plain colored t-shirt as per the requirements of taking a photo, and I'm just wearing a little bit of makeup to make me look put together and not like a hot mess on my ID photo. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. Bye bye!